Picture of Maddie. You're crazy. You're a crazy chick. Mommy always knows that you'll be somewhere in like the Amazon or something.
Cece. Look. Cece. Corinne.
Look at Daddy. Stick of us. That girl is crazy. I'm telling you, she's gonna be like an adventurer. It doesn't even bother her. Look at her. Most kids would freak out, except i.e. Cece, not Madison.
Cece, go ahead, touch it. You can't touch it. Yeah, let's get another one. Watch out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Yeah. It's raining. Wait, give a little video.
The Rainforest Cafe would like to welcome ladies to Life Club member Mike P. Safari at 5. You've heard your name called. Please journey with a purple elephant in front of the Rainforest Cafe.
I can't make it.
Come on, see, just try it. See, look at Madison. Madison's not afraid of the snake. Don't put that in your mouth.
Wants to eat the snake. Alright, stop it. What about the alligator?
The South American rainforest, Amazon,
Alligator.
Don't worry, Mommy's freaked out about snakes too. These snakes are very real.
Alligator. What about this one? Ah, you like that one?
We gotta give him something. That's what you guys gonna do.
What about this snake?
Okay, alright. Let's get her ready. Get to Madison. Stay comes. Stay comes, look. Stay comes, look.
Madison.
Show your face about it.
I want to walk.
Rainforest Cafe welcomes Landry Select member Nathan Norris. Safari 2. If your name was called, please journey to the purple elephant and see your guys'
Get binoculars.